Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the caption or subtitle language on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on hearing enhancements. In here, you go down and tap on caption preference. Next, we go down and tap on more options and then tap on language. From the language list, go down and select a preferred language that you would like to use. So you can see there's quite a bit of choices to choose from. So go down the list here and select a language you want to use, and then just tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.